Nice long lower shadow, strong bounce today would give us more of a bullish feeling, definitely. But I'm a little bit worried about this rising trend line here, which is to a certain extent, you could draw it in there, you could draw it in there. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 6 August 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the yen, the Swiss and the euro, and short on the pound, the Aussie and New Zealand dollar. Well, dollar index dropped yesterday even further, but then found support at this lateral support level. So seeing a bounce, and most likely what we will see now is retracement back to retest this area here, and hopefully another sell-off coming from there for another leg down the page. That'll give us good direction. Intraday, I still have the problem of a sort of neutral strong dollar, which makes intraday trading for me at present a little bit tough to do because everything here is weak. Short term, medium term, long term is a weak dollar, but that shows neutral. But this strong neutral dollar will most likely get me in some longs as it retraces back there on the dollar, hopefully to roll over from there. Gold came back to hit my trailing stop loss, still at a nice profit, but I was so well in the money up there. Unfortunately, I was pushing for a much bigger move, didn't get that, paying the price. At least exited at 23.99, so not a bad trade. Got money in the bank, but unfortunately giving back a lot of open profits. But yeah, sometimes you get the targets and sometimes you don't. At this stage on gold, with a deep retracement like this, I am not keen on going into anything here. I'm just waiting for the market to calm down slightly to give me more clear-cut direction. Bitcoin finding support also on this falling trend line I mentioned yesterday, and the lateral support coming in here. I was lucky enough to buy my monthly dollar averaging lots yesterday, so I got delayed and I was happy. Otherwise I would have bought up there. Now I bought down here. No skill, no anything, just pure luck, and was just too busy, that's all. So got in any case on my dollar averaging monthly purchases. No technicals buying that. There's no technical analysis involved telling me to buy. The trend has turned bearish again. I will step back from any additional buying except my monthly dollar averaging, and that's it. As long as that's red, I'm not going to touch this. Nice long lower shadow, strong bounce today would give us more of a bullish feeling, definitely. But I'm a little bit worried about this rising trend line here, which is to a certain extent, you could draw it in there, you could draw it in there. It's just going to be a retest, most likely for another leg down the page. That's possible. But okay, elections are coming up in the US. Everybody's fighting for votes, and everybody's turning positive on cryptos. The politicians I'm talking about. First, the Democrats was fighting the whole crypto scenario. Now suddenly they're turning very friendly towards it. And as far as I could hear, Trump is going to win. He's going to fire Gary Gensler on the first day. I would like to see that. That would really give me pleasure when he does that. But all right, so let's see what happens with the trend line, the retest. That 63 levels, the 66 levels are just gone. I would like to see a close back above this level here, above 60,000. All right, that negates the rising trend line, the break of that. That actually makes it a false breakout, which could be an explosive move up the page, as I've explained yesterday also. Prolonged sideways ranges like this, the breakout and the move after that is usually very, very explosive. So I am happy buying down here, adding some more. Well, when Bitcoin was up at $70,000, I was like, why didn't I bought more when it was lower? Now that it's lower, people panicking. I mean, I'm getting it $15,000 less. I can buy more for the same amount of money. I'm not complaining. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Nasdaq, retracement back to, we still got intraday, the stronger dollar, which is stock market bearish. And retest to the 61% level, right, the structure there. If I get a counter reversal there, I'll definitely attempt some more shorts on the indices. In the US yen, retracement trading robot. It's got a nice short, trailed out at a profit, so that's not bad at all. But I need now retracement back to the 50% level. Right the structure there. Look at the US yen, US neutral, but yen, all the sparkle. And I want to be long yen, and shorting this will give me that long on the yen. So I'm waiting there patiently for a candle reversal, and then I'll consider some shorts. And the Dow Jones, retracement also back to the 50-61% level. More precisely, this support level here, I need the market to go and test that. As long as the dollar stays on my intraday indicator strong, I will then look for some shorts there. Brent oil, swing down the page, retracement back to the 50-61% level, structure coming in there. So I don't personally short commodities at all. It's just a personal thing. But I call those guys that short gold and oil, I call them the crazies on my website. So this is for the crazies. Retest there, nice strong candle reversal. That would be a good setup for some shorts. Then the Euro CAD, Euro green zone, CAD neutral. So not after that, I'm after the Euro long here, and a retracement here back to this previous high here. You can see here, I'm not going to chase it up there. What I'm looking for is a retest, and if it gets back down there, I'm not saying it will get there. All I'm saying is if it gets down there, I will then look for longs once I get a test there, and I still see that the euro is much stronger than the CAD. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.